Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. As I lead you through the ABRSM Grade 1 Discovering Music Theory workbook, my lessons now move on to Chapter 2 regarding pitch. And in this chapter, we look at the notes of the treble clef and the bass clef. We look how to construct music on the stave, and we look at stems and how to make sure they are correctly written as we write music on the stave. The full lesson is available on my Patreon channel if you go to patreon.com/Sharon Bill, and you can find the link to that lesson in the cards and in the description box. Sample examples of this lesson will follow on after this little video. And once you feel that you're ready to take your ABRSM Grade 1 exam, I've provided some extra exam technique, help and advice in my book, How to Take Your ABRSM Music Theory Exam. And here you'll find exam technique guidance to ensure you get the best marks that you possibly can in your exam. And you can find this on Amazon. And again, you can find the links in the cards and in the description box below. Enjoy your studies. Bye. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Line space, line space. It's 8 notes apart, and we can see that there are many Ds. And so we know which octave we're on then. So for this to be a note G, it must be treble clef, because we know that the lines are every good boy deserves football. If that is F, one above F is G. If that was in the bass clef, that would be the B below middle C. And if you just look at the difference that would make if you got the wrong clef. So instead of being the B below middle C, here we go. Instead of being the B below middle C and the G, can you see it's like such a massive difference in pitch actually, just by getting the clef wrong. Here, these are correct. The stems are going down on the correct side and they're joined correctly, so that is okay. These are joined correctly, but the stems are going down when they should be going up because they are below the middle line, and then we would beam them this way, so that is incorrect. And this one is correct, it's below the middle line, so the stem goes up and the little tail is on the correct side, so that's that. And then I'll worry about stems after that. So we'll have some coloured in, and then they can be either crotchets or quavers. Let's have that one not coloured in. Have some coloured in again. Let's not. I'm just sort of making it up as I go along. Anything goes, really. Let's, we've done all the way from B, C, and we did actually do D, didn't we? I'm stretching out a bit, I'm going to be running out of space. And then we've got the treble clef. I'll have to squish this up a little bit now. So let's start on middle C. So we're picking up, that is exactly the same note written in a different clef. And then let's colour some note heads in. We perhaps won't colour those.